My friends, welcome to 200 3D models in FreeCAD series. Exercise 60 is what I will be working on today, and this is an interesting one. Well, it is not interesting as it sounds, but I can make it interesting because it looks like a simple one, but I have been meaning to show you all one thing that I forgot to show so far. So let's keep that on XY plane for now, and then see what I was talking about. Scenarios like this, we intend to build the sketch right where they are, and that's what I've been doing on so far. However, it does not have to. We can build the sketch anywhere and then move the object there. I have done it in one of the previous videos, or like several of those, but I've never actually took a moment to explain it. So in this video, let me show that. So the pad in here, I want to build that as usual. I want to keep this on my center as one of these here. I want to keep it like that and pull it up just like there with a pretty good guess. So that's my center. It's on XY plane. I want to draw a sketch on XY plane, and the sketch will be a centered rectangle. Right, so that was pretty easy. I want to make this 150. Obviously it's not perfectly centered, but we can live with that. The length is 90, and then I want to do 4 holes at 4 corners, just like that. Make those some aligning. Take these 2 points vertical to horizontal, and these 2 vertical. These 2 points, we can make it symmetric by the center. Now all I have to do is set the distance between these two as 50 and the distance between these two as 110. Finally, take all 4 of these and make them radius 10. Pretty cool. We got that pad built in a moment. Now for this vertical wall, where it is, the instinct is to build the sketch right on that face and do everything there, but we don't have to. We don't have to. We can build it at the center or like anywhere we want. The sketch I am talking about. So let's go ahead and build the sketch, but before that let me place that on a Z plane and take it down a notch. Right, what I'm saying is, now I want to build the sketch right where the image is, right, the center. So I'm going to go ahead and build a sketch on XZ plane without any offsetting, right? And let's go ahead and build this sketch from ground. So I don't need this pad. I'll just trace this sketch from here. All right, it looks pretty wobbly, but let's make these two equal first. And this is 20, right? And these two is 3 actually, would be horizontal plane. The center will be on this axis, and this radius is 25. This point is 80 millimeter away, these two are radius 20, right? Obviously these two are equal, and angle between these two is 60, which is 120 in other words. So we have 2 degrees of freedom, which is the length of this line, which is 150, and where they stand there. So we got that sketch sorted out pretty quick. Now I want to extrude that for 10 millimeter. Awesome. So, oh, I guess I did not hollow out the center, but let's go ahead and do that before I go further. So there will be a slot in the middle from here to there, and this length is 45.4 and this radius is 15. Just a little setback, but we got back pretty quick on our track. Now this picture, it says that object, that wall, is at the end of the plate that we built earlier, but because we built this sketch in the middle, this wall is now like in the middle. Actually, it's not in the middle, it's a little offset because we did not get symmetric. So let's go ahead and make it symmetric. All right, so as I was saying to begin with, normally we build the sketch here and then build the pad there. We don't have to if we didn't want to. I could build it here and then move it back. The sketch can be there. The part, I can move it from the placement. So this will be Y direction. See? So we go just like that and there, 50 millimeters away. That's our object, and we built it. It's kind of like, building it in the factory and then moving it at the location. That's what we just did. So don't stress out too much about placing the sketch at the right location. We always can manipulate our object's location later on using this placement options. We could do with transform as well, place the same role, or we could do that as well if needed. Well, hopefully you like this new trick on building different parts using part workbench. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.